Hi. This video will show you the way to bring dark mode to Duolingo on Microsoft Edge browser easily. I am on Microsoft Edge. As you can see, the site Duolingo is totally white and causing problems to the users. So let's change it to dark. Go to this extension icon and click on Open Microsoft Edge add-ons. Type dark mode and press enter. Now simply install Dark Reader extension from Alexanderby. It's installed and going back to Duolingo again. Yes, as you can see that the Duolingo site is now totally darkened and it's no more white at all. If I browse further, all the sections are in dark mode right now. When I go to a lesson, it shows like this. Whenever you do not need this extension, you can simply go there and remove the extension from Microsoft Edge. And this is how you can simply use dark mode for Duolingo on Microsoft Edge browser easily with a simple extension. Please be with us and also subscribe for more such videos. Goodbye.